Hey beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this beauty right here. So this is Allure beauty box, and this is the first time that I got this box, and we'll see how this beauty is. And if you're new around here, welcome to my channel, and please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos about the unboxing of the subscription boxes. So without further ado, let's get to the video. First thing that I see is this one right here. This is the book that I see, and this has the promo codes inside. Okay, that is awesome. So this is how it came. So it looks so pretty. It's like the packaging that it came. So this is the sneak peek. The first thing that I see is this one right here. So this is Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, Luminous plus Translucent. And this has the peach extract plus peptide complex. This is the beauty that we are talking about. Oh, okay, it's kind of clear, kind of think it's serum. It smells nothing. And the price on this one is $39. Next beauty that I have is this one right here. So this is OC Ocean Cleanser. So this is the Ocean Cleanser, and let me see if I could smell this. It smells like sea salt, like that kind of smell, you know. Okay, let's see about this beauty. The price on this one is $48. Is that this size $48, or I think the full size is $48, and this is 0.6 fluid ounces. For this beauty, organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize appearance of pores. The next beauty that I have here is this one. So this is what? Natasha Dion eyeshadow. Let's see the shade. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. So this is more like sparkly kind of, but there is little bit fallout. So this is the shade we are talking about, and let me swatch this a bit. This is the gold kind of shimmery shade. The next beauty that we have is this one right here. So this is Bentonic Beauty. It's a butter lip and cheek balm. Okay, so achieve a natural dewy flush of color with this buttery cream blush that blends seamlessly into cheeks and doubles up as an effortless lip color. That is awesome. So this came in with the seal, which is good. Just removing it. So this is how it looks. The packaging is awesome. It smells kind of funny. I'm not a big fan of smell. So this is the shade we're talking about. Oh yeah, it's like very buttery and sheer, very sheer. I'm going to put it just in here. Just want to see like how it looks. So this is the color we're talking about. So I think it's going to give like that natural kind of no makeup look. So this blush with use it as a lip balm. Awesome. Okay, the price on this beauty is $16. Let's see what we have next. Okay, so this is like tiny size of the Sunday Rally, and this is moisturizing cream. It's like really tiny size. I love the smell. I think it smells like coconut. You know, there's a trend going on right now. Like in all of the my subscription boxes, I get Sunday Rally products. If that's a teeny tiny size or the full size, like all of my subscription boxes these days have at least one product of Sunday Rally. Okay, the full size price on this one is $65. Next one that I have is this one right here. So this is a charcoal pore care. I think it's a sheet mask. Yeah, it's a charcoal sheet mask with a fine charcoal powder, detoxifies and tightens the pore. And the price on this one is $3. So I love all of these products, and I think the price on this one is just $15. I love this one, and this is like full size product, and also the cleanser. And this one is also the full size, that is butter lip and cheek balm. And we got the Sunday Rally, and what next? And we also got the Natasha Dion, the eyeshadow palette. So a good buy for $15. So if you like this video so far, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And love you guys so much, and be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.